today for the Bitcoin price. And what the heck is happening here right now to Bitcoin? Well, as you remember, I was talking about since days, actually since this week here, about this potential breakout from this bullishly biased falling wedge pattern with my price target at 52,000. We are coming closer and closer. And now the most important question is, will this be already it? Or are we actually looking at higher price targets, which are not even visible here in this chart? I will talk about that. I will talk about my 1.4 million US dollar trade on Bitcoin, which I opened. Of course, I will talk about my price predictions for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, but also in the mid run. I want to talk about everything, what's going through my mind, where we have to take very close look at the Bitcoin price, where potential reversals can come in, and much more. Guys, this video is for you. If you are asking yourself right now, what the heck is happening here? What the heck is going to happen next for Bitcoin? This video is for you. Let's talk about it. Obviously, I am going to talk towards the end of the video here about extremely important updates also in regards to VLaunch VPAD. But now I want to focus on the Bitcoin price. Now I want to focus about my 1.38 million US dollar long position on Bitcoin, which I announced earlier. I will talk about everything here right now today. So let's get back to the content. And guys, if you appreciate these very urgent videos in these crazy situations, it's the second update of today. If you want more of that, all I need you to do is please smash up the like button to a new all-time high, the like button, the comment button, the share function. I can see this in the YouTube backend, and it's a feedback for me to make more of these videos and to update you in the moments it is necessary. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And actually, before I go into my next Bitcoin price prediction, I wanted to show you this little clip here where I warned you here, if you go into a short position right here, you are running the danger to get liquidated. This is what I told you, and I also updated you here about this breakout with the bullish flip on a specific indicator. You know what? Let me show you these two price predictions actually in my last two videos before I continue with the next one. Look at this. Falling wedges are usually bullish reversal patterns or bullishly biased patterns, which are breaking more often to the upside than to the downside. If Bitcoin is actually just wicking below, you can just get completely liquidated if you are here too quickly going into a trade. And as you remember, a falling wedge breakout has a bullish pattern which is at the top of the wedge. 52,000. Actually, I have some good news to share with you, because right now, this is something I was talking about earlier. The EMA ribbon is flipping bullish, meaning that the yellow moving average, the shorter term moving averages are flipping above the long term moving average. This is a very bullish flip for Bitcoin on the EMA ribbon, and actually, of course, also to have my take profit slightly below the 52,000 US dollar levels before I'm gonna take it. And as you can see, this is exactly what happened. We got the bounce right here. We got the breakout right here. And we got the flip of the EMA ribbon. Let me quickly elaborate and remind you on that right here. And before I continue, guys, just like 3 hours ago, I uploaded a very important long-term view price prediction for Bitcoin, actually zooming out. This video is extremely important. I will put it on the top of the pinned comment. Make sure you are watching that top of the pinned comment, top of the video description. Watch this YouTube video, because only 60,000 people saw it so far in 2 or 3 hours. I want every one of you to watch it. Make sure you watch it if you haven't already 3 hours ago. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And what you can see here, we saw this flip of the ribbon. And I was telling you, this flip of the ribbon is extremely bullish for Bitcoin, because whenever we flip bearish, it's very bearish for Bitcoin. Whenever we flip bullish, with Bitcoin being above it, it's bullish for Bitcoin. Now we went outside, we flipped, actually, we broke the pattern, we confirmed at the EMA ribbon flip. I mean, I couldn't imagine anything better than this. Now we are getting a huge green candle with, and this is very important every single time, with very nice volume support. You can see it here on the downside, how this nice volume candle is getting bigger and bigger. And of course, the 4-hourly candle is closing soon, but you can see sufficient volume actually backing up this pump. This is interesting. And now let's talk about more, guys, because You always want to know what is the next price target. At 51,000, we are very close to my 52,000 US dollar price target already. So as you know, after the price target is before the price target, and we always have to roll over the book and see what is the next price target to look out for, because as you know, in these long positions which we are having open for Bitcoin, we are scaling out into Bitcoin, but we are always keeping a reminder left. We are taking profits. Yes, we are taking these profits in Bitcoin, so when Bitcoin goes higher, we continuously generate profits on the price, of course, but we are keeping something in, and we want to know what is the next price target for Bitcoin. And this is what I want to show you right now. So first of all, I wanted to tell you why I actually earlier predicted the 44,000 US dollar price target for Bitcoin to be my worst case scenario. If I am, and you can see it here in the background, pulling from the top all the way to the bottom, you can see that actually this dump perfectly coincided with the Fibonacci golden pocket, which was extremely important. And now, guys, let's flip it around from top to bottom, right? Now that probably we have bottomed out here for Bitcoin, let's look at the bottom to top approach. If we are pulling out, and this is very important to understand, let me quickly show you here in the background how I am pulling out the Fibonacci. We trace an extension level here from bottom to top. We are taking the extension level right now. You can see something beautiful, because at my price target, we are having confluence with the 38.2 at the 50,000 US dollar price target, my first one. More importantly, the next price target right here at the golden pocket, 61.8 to 65% Fibonacci extension level, in perfect alignment with the massive volume we had throughout the last few weeks. This, below the 60,000 US dollars, we are going to face another severe resistance volume-wise for Bitcoin, and obviously also technically here with the Fibonacci extension level coming into fruition for Bitcoin. But this is certainly the next price target I would be looking out for. But make sure, if you are in this profitable long position on Bitcoin just right now, as I am also as well, let me quickly go over to Fimex. Make sure that you are taking profits. You can see it right here. I have to go down to my knees already. Let me see what's the percentage profit here actually. Right now approximately 35% in a profit on this specific trade already. 34,000 US dollars at a 1.38 million US dollar trade. My margin in this trade approximately 100,000 US dollars. Obviously, as recently it was a very risky situation for Bitcoin. I was not going all too crazy here, but if you want to be trading Bitcoin as well, do it only if you are an experienced trader. I am here right now trading on Fimex. I will leave you the link down below. It is a bonus link. You get a bonus, I get a bonus. You can see 4,100 US dollars for your own deposit. If you want to trade, only do it as an experienced trader. But the most important thing is over on Fimex also, if you are going over, let me show you this, guys. This is something I'm very proud of. Let me go over to the spot trading. This is interesting, dear ladies and gentlemen. And now let me go over to VPET. Boom, boom, boom. I actually invested myself, but I never moved any tokens. That's why my wallet here is completely empty. It's listed over on Fimex as well, right? And this chart obviously looks very nice over here. Obviously, do never FOMO in, but if you want to buy to actually stake on vlaunch.com, this is a very beautiful thing. As you can see here, over on vlaunch.com, we have 7 million VPET already staked. This is crazy, guys. Thousands of people going over, connecting their MetaMask and staking their VPET over on VLaunch. This is obviously a very beautiful thing. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about that. Let me know what you think about the Bitcoin price. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. And I am going to see you very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.